I do believe that this is the future of trading. I just went from a $0 to a $1 million funded trader in just 2 months using one prop firm and one simple algo. In today's video, I'm going to reveal every single step that I took, my entire journey of going from a $0 to a $1 million funded trader in just 2 months. As of yesterday, I made my profit target of $25,000 to pass my phase 2 of my last $500,000 account. In this journey, I've taken on 2 $500,000 accounts, which makes a total of a $1 million funding challenge, which I passed my last $500,000 account yesterday by hitting my profit target of $25,000. For phase 1 of the second $500,000 account, you need a profit target of 8%, which is $40,000, which I hit in about 4 days' time at a total of $66,000. That has allowed me to pass phase 2 of my $500,000 account, which I will get the login details tomorrow morning. Zero emotions, hardly any risk, not trading with your own capital, and very profitable system that I'm going to reveal to you in today's video. This, I believe, is the future of trading simply because funded trading takes away all of the idea of emotions, all of the stress of trading with your own capital. If you lose it all, you can just restart another valuation and pass another live account. So the risk, the emotions, the stress is all 10 times less than that of trading with your own capital. And in today's video, I'm not only going to show you how you can get funded, I'm going to show you how you can remain profitable long term and scale as many fund accounts as you want to. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur, coach, and trader, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I revolutionized my life around using prop firm trading and one simple algorithm that has been able to keep me profitable long term and sustainably on my prop firm accounts. There are many different prop firms that you can go and choose to get funded from. The two most well-known being FTMO and my Forex funds. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about specifically firstclassforexfunds.co, as you are allowed up to $1 million in funding with this company, which is a total of 2 $500,000 accounts that you can copy trade. Come over to firstclassforexfunds.co and click on Start Evaluation, and there are many different account sizes that you can choose from, ranging from $25,000 all the way to $500,000. All of these include a 2-step evaluation and a profit share of up to 90%. For any evaluation that you pick, you need to reach the target of the following: 8% in the first 30 trading days of whichever account you choose. For example, if it's the $25,000 account, you need a target of 8%, which is $2,000. Phase 2 will consist of a target of $5,000, which is $1,250. Once you've passed phase 2, your login details to your live $25,000 account will be sent to you. I took upon the challenge 2 months ago to become a $1 million funded trader with this company, to pass 2 $500,000 accounts, which I finally passed my second one yesterday. And this is exactly how I did it. TradingView.com is the website where all of your analysis happens. Come over to TradingView.com, click on products and click on chart. Regarding your evaluation, whether it's with my Forex funds, FTMO, or First Class Forex funds, I always recommend stick to gold and Forex markets on these particular brokers, or US30 or NASDAQ. Those are the only markets I ever trade on my funded accounts. I don't trade stocks, I don't trade crypto, only US30, NASDAQ, Forex, and gold, simply because they have the best spreads and they have the least slippage. So right now you can see over here at the moment, using this exact same system, I caught in a US30 trade pre-London session this morning at about 9 o'clock. London session opens at 10 o'clock. Firstly, the 2 indicators that you need to add to your chart is the Sessions D. You can come over to indicators and just go and type Sessions, and it's this one over here called Sessions Asia London New York colored chart. You need to click on settings. You need to enable the New York session on 1. Add the same indicator again and add the London session. This is very important because I only trade 2 signals every single day. That is the first trade of the London session and the first trade of the US session. 2 trades a day. That is it. That's all you trade. And just those 2 trades a day alone will bring a lot of consistency and a lot of profit over the months. Secondly, you need to come over to indicators and you need to go and search Smart Money Concepts by Lux Algo. This is an indicator that just gives you an idea of what the current order flow is happening at the moment. So right now you can see over here, the biggest reason I entered this buy was because we had a change of character. It left open a demand zone, reacted off this demand zone. At the same time, I got my buy indicator, which is a great way to pair up trades with this. But we're not going to be going and trading every single arrow of this particular indicator that tells you to buy and sell. There's only 2 specific trades that you need to take every single day. So the third and final and most important indicator of the system is you need to come over to Google, go and search up Elite Algo, click on the first link at elitesignals.com, and this is basically an indicator that tells you when to buy and sell. Now I know people say do not trust indicators or learn the markets based on indicators, etc., etc. Why not? If you've developed something profitable and it works, why not use it? So you need to go and click on get access now over here. I'm not an affiliate for this website. I don't make any money talking about this. I use it myself, and that's why I recommend it. Once you click on get access now, on the checkout, you will need to enter your TradingView username, which you will find on the top left-hand side. The indicator will then be added to your chart. And this is how it works. Simply 5-minute chart on the 5-minute time frame. That's all we're going to be trading on. This is more of a scalping strategy. Make sure you click on candle types and set your chart to Heikin-Ashi, and this is how it works. First signal of the London session, which was this sell, which came up on this candle. Stop loss at least 20 pips. Stop loss above the previous candle or at least 20 pips. And your trade must at least run a 1-to-3. Nothing less than a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. This trade yesterday would have been a full profitable TP2 hit. How you apply risk management during this trade is what's going to make the difference between you failing and succeeding at this. What you need to do is you need to have the following rules. I'm going to type out a notepad for you. Every single signal that you take, you need to place 2 positions and 2 positions only. If you're trading with a 1 lot size on your funded account, you need to close 1 position at $25. That's $25 partials. Once you hit that $25 partials on a 1 lot size, you need to set your other position, your other one, to break even, so it's a risk-free trade. Using the strategy, I've been able to convert my system from at least a 60% win rate to a 95% win rate. If you're using a 2 lot size, that is $50 partials. If you're using a 3, that is a $75 partials. If you're using a 4, that means you need to close $100 partials. Now, if you're on the 500k account and you're using even bigger lot sizes such as a 10, then your partials is 250, etc. Same with the 20 being 500 partials, a 30 being 750 partials, and a 40 being $1,000 in partials. So it's very important to keep note of this risk management system that I've typed over for you here. Every single trade you take times 2 positions, whether it's 2 40s, 2 30s, 2 1s, 2 2s, and you need to make sure as soon as 1 position hits $25 or the 2 lot size or the 3 lot size or the 4 lot size hits your partial target over here, which is your TP1, you need to make sure that you hit the other, you need to make sure that you set the other position to break even, because most times when trading this indicator, I would say 5 times out of 10, it does come back to break even. But it's these partials that add up to a lot of money every single month, that add up over the days. This risk management system is what will make or break you as a profitable and consistent trader with this. So I want you to save what I've just said. Remember it, write it down, save this video to your watch later, watch it 5 times if you have to, but it's super important that you remember that risk management system that I've just taught you to remain profitable at this. For example, take a look at this first signal in the US session. So this, I would have taken the buy as according to rules, which came up over here halfway through this candle, and you will see over here, if I placed a 40 lot size, let's go 1 to 3, a 40 lot size where this buy came up, entered at 33375, the highest point was 3390. So this was 150 pips. That means a 40 would have been about $2,000. So this was a very good example of a trade where you run it up into partials, let's say $2,000 on a 40 lot size. You closed those partials, set your other to break even, but it came back to break even. So what would have been a loss from all other traders actually ended up being a $2,000 profitable trade for you. Because this happens quite often, and this is why you need to understand this risk management system and apply it, especially because when you get situations like this, when it goes up into partials, you're all happy, you're seeing blue, and then boom, it comes back to stop loss. Whereas we closed our partials, position 1 is set to break even, so that means it's either going to be profitable or it's just going to come back to zero. But remember, you've already secured $2,000 on partials on position 1. So that either way, I'm happy with this type of trade. And over here in the morning, you would have had a nice sell. I would say the candle pops up over there, stop loss above that candle that formed, and a 1 to 3. As you can see, this came straight to TP2. This wouldn't have even been a TP1 trade. So this would have been 2 wins for the day, right there and there. I would have been done for the day. This would have been perhaps a $4,000 or $5,000 day on my funded account. You really don't need more than that. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more specifically with scaling your funded account. Now that you know how to go and get funded, how my system works, I'm going to give you an entire program on how I also trade smart money concepts, liquidity, Wyckoff ways the markets are manipulated by the banks. I'm going to give you an entire program on my YouTube channel. This is honestly information I could be selling in an easily $300 to $400 course in a private mentorship, but everything I have talked about so far in my journey, I've posted on YouTube completely for free for you guys to watch. So I'm going to keep it like that. I'm going to give everything for you. I'm going to put everything in one simple, understandable playlist of my best trading videos compiled on YouTube so far for you to watch in one simple place. What I recommend is if you want to get your hands on this playlist, all I would appreciate is leave a like on this video, make sure you subscribe down below and comment down below that you're ready, and I will leave this playlist on the screen over here somewhere. I recommend you go and click on this playlist that's somewhere on the screen, and I'll see you over there.